Good afternoon. So today I want to look at another type of a literary device slash a literary element, and that is symbolism. So symbolism is using an object or an idea to represent something larger than itself. It's often overlooked or unnoticed, but it can give us clues about possible themes. So we will learn two types of symbolism: universal and unique. So with symbolism, just a in very simplified terms, it's when something represents some when it's a metaphorical or a figurative meaning rather than a literal meaning. So, for example, if I had a coin, the coin might symbolize luck for me. And usually coins don't symbolize luck. Coins, if we were to understand coins for what they were, they would just be, oh, it just represents money. But to me, it might represent something lucky or maybe something unlucky. So, universal symbolism is an image or object that has universally understood meanings. So, here's some examples. So, if this image of a skull and crossbones, this image, sorry, whoops, sorry, this image, it typically means when you see this, it typically means danger or death or something toxic or something deadly. We've seen it in multiple different things. We could see in video games where you might see the crossbones and the X. You might even see it on pirate flags. When you see it on pirate flags, you know that danger or death awaits you. This next symbol, the heart. So this heart, if you see this symbol, you typically associate this with love, not with your heart literally pumping blood into your body and keeping you alive. You associate this type of heart with love. So what can this symbol really mean? A tree. So if without symbolism, a tree is just a tree. But with symbolism, this tree could mean a life or growth. So universal symbols can have multiple meanings. You will need to look at the context of how it is used to pick the most correct meaning. So something, how I kind of described the skull and crossbones. So with this one on the left, this symbol, it symbolizes danger. This symbolizes danger as well. And then there's unique symbols. The last example is similar to what is called a unique symbol, which is a symbol with a meaning unique and directly dependent on the story's context. So universal symbols, such as the non-anatomical heart or a tree or the skull and crossbones, those are universal. Those always mean something, either always means love or growth or something dangerous. Whereas unique symbols, it's really dependent on the story itself. So just like with the skull and crossbones, use the clues in the story to guess what the symbol might mean. So I'm actually going to cut off the video here, and then I'm going to put this in a part 2.